Imagine eating a dish so old. It was first cooked 4,000 years ago, during the time of kings and cuneiform tablets. Today, we're bringing back one of the oldest recorded recipes in history, straight from ancient Mesopotamia. In 1750 BC, clay tablets in Babylon recorded detailed recipes, not for everyday people, but for royal banquets and priests. These were dishes served at temples and elite gatherings. One of those recipes, a dish called stew of lamb with barley, flavored with garlic, leeks, and herbs. Here's what was used, based on translated tablets: lamb, barley, garlic, and leeks, mint, coriander, cumin, salt, and crushed bread for thickening. The lamb was boiled until tender. Then the barley was added with herbs, mashed bread, and more broth. The stew was rich, thick, and likely served with flatbread or date wine. In 2018, historians and chefs recreated this dish, staying true to the tablets. The result? A savory herbal stew that tasted surprisingly familiar, almost like a Middle Eastern barley soup. Imagine, with each bite, tasting exactly what someone in Babylon tasted 40 centuries ago. That's the magic of food. Subscribe to Ancient Eats for more lost recipes and step into history, one bite at a time.